Let's take a look at deleted candidates and system LinkedIn accounts. Hit the Deleted Candidates button to view all candidates that have been deleted from Staffing Boss. Think of the Deleted Candidates section as a more sophisticated version of the trash or recycle bin on your computer. It's where recently deleted candidates are stored before you permanently delete them and remove them from Staffing Boss completely. You can see when they were deleted and by who. You can also see the reason why they were removed. You can see a quick view of the deleted candidate or a complete view of the candidate record. Next, let's take a look at the Connect LinkedIn button. As a super user, this is where you set up the default LinkedIn account for your entire company Staffing Boss system. If one of your users hasn't yet synced their own LinkedIn account with their Staffing Boss account, they can still take advantage of the many LinkedIn integrations by using the company LinkedIn account that you set up here. There are lots of ways that Staffing Boss integrates with LinkedIn, from parsing candidate resumes through to posting new jobs. We encourage all individual users to sync up their Staffing Boss account to their own LinkedIn account. They can do this quickly and easily under Account. Check out the short tutorial on how to make this happen. But in case they haven't yet set up their own LinkedIn account, they can use the system LinkedIn account that you specify here as a fallback option. To connect your LinkedIn account, simply log in with your LinkedIn credentials and let Staffing Boss do the rest for you.